Hello everyone, welcome back again to PLAXIS 3D Shallow Foundation course from theory to practice. This is lesson 23, and in this tutorial we are going to explain how can we simulate the isolated footing under inclined load using PLAXIS 3D. Also we can select a point for load settlement curve. Okay, this plate. Okay, and now we save it and we can start the calculation. Okay, the calculation is finished. So we can see the results also, and we can extract the load settlement curve from PLAXIS to Excel, but I will not do in this example because I did in previous examples, so I think it is not necessary to do again. So as you can see, this is the deformed shape of the foundation and the soil. Also we can see the total displacement, and we can take a section in here. As you can see, this is the displacement contours of the foundation and displacement vectors. As we can see, it is on the direction of the inclined load. Okay, this was for this example, and I hope you like it, and thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.